Dan from Dan's Bake Lab is joining me to make something very special. Dan, what are you making?
Today we're going to make cicerchiata. It's a honey ring cake, very typical for Carnevale.
Okay, in Italy?
Oh yes, always in Italy.
Okay.
So, can you please crack some eggs for me?
It would be my absolute pleasure. So this is one of those simple things where it's all mixed in the bowl together.
Oh, exactly. It's actually super easy to make this dough. And the dough is actually not very sweet because we are going to cover it in sugar.
Oh, okay.
That's the best part of it.
Happy with that. So 3 whole eggs.
Oof. So while you're doing that, I'm going to zest some orange and lemon just to give an extra flavor to the cake.
Sounds good.
Let's put this lemon in it.
And to that I'm going to add some sugar.
Sugar, yes.
Okay.
So to that, sugar, and then we have some vegetable oil, or if you don't have it, you can just use some light olive oil.
Okay.
And some rum.
Ooh, now you're talking.
Yes, it's a little bit boozy.
Boozy indeed.
Let's put this orange zest, and then, oh, smell it. Smell like Italy.
Smells so good. I love any dessert that has citrus through it.
So while you're doing that, we just have to add, that's perfect, I love it. We are going to add some sifted dry ingredients.
Okay.
And we're going to knead it just for like 5 minutes, just to make sure everything is well combined.
Sounds good.
I'm going to create some space here because we're going to roll this beautiful dough.
Okay. Well, I'll pass that over to you.
Thank you.
To do the hard work.
Oh, and now, like all the grandmothers they do, they always remove the rings just because, you know, you don't want to get dough everywhere.
So true. My grandmother would do the same, but sometimes it would go missing.
Oh my
the dough.
gosh. Lucky if you find it.
Lucky if you find it. Exactly, exactly.
So this recipe looks like we are making gnocchi, but the method is very similar. So we're going to make the dough, we're going to roll it, cut small pieces and fry them, and then it's ready.
Too easy.
Okay, so we fried this beautiful dough that it tastes delicious. You can even try it.
Okay.
It's not too sweet. They are like little gnocchini.
Exactly.
And now we're going to make a very quick syrup using some sugar and some honey.
So at the beginning you were saying that the shape of this is a distinct wreath, and you're going to use this for the centre so we get that perfect shape.
Exactly. We're going to build it around that center. And then we're going to use half lemon to build it.
So just cutting them into slices or into
Just
rounds?
half.
Just into half, okay.
Yeah, please.
Okay, great.
Perfect. Okay, so now it looks like the syrup is nice and beautiful, all the sugar is melted.
Okay.
Can you please put the dough into it?
It would be my pleasure.
Thank you so much. And in the meantime, I'm going to mix it. Fantastic. Ooh, look at this. Oh, no worries. Oh, that's the best part. And can you smell the beautiful honey?
Yes, I can indeed.
And just roughly, I'm going to cover all this dough with this beautiful syrup. And the last ingredient is, can you please put some almonds in it?
Okay, the whole lot?
Yes, please. Just to add an extra crunch to it.
Yes.
Because we love almonds.
And that dough's not very sweet. We didn't add too much sugar, and it all makes sense now because we're adding the sugar now with the honey and the caster sugar.
Correct.
So it's going to be quite balanced.
Exactly. Okay, now it looks like it's nice and ready and it's all covered. And now I'm ready to build it.
Okay.
Let's do it. Okay, let's pour this one because it's very hot.
Yes.
So,
Turn the
yes,
plate.
please, thank you.
Teamwork.
Yes, always. I love it. Are you excited to try this dessert?
I can't wait. You know, in France they do something similar, but it's more like a crostini, like it's thinner. But the dough is very similar, where you add all the wet ingredients first, a little bit of that alcohol, and then you dust it with lots of icing sugar as opposed to a sugar syrup. But this looks very dramatic. I think I'm quite impressed with the way that this is turning out.
And I feel like traditionally it's made like a wreath to represent the circle of life.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
Yes.
And now let's assemble it. Let's grab half lemon each and let's just press it. gently, so at least we create this beautiful wreath all around it.
This is much easier to do than using
Oh my
hands.
gosh,
It'd be so
100%.
messy.
And you don't want to burn them.
No.
And I think it's ready. We should just remove the center.
I'll let you do the honors.
Let's do it. Oh, look at this. Wow. Perfect.
fantastic.
I love it.
Looks good.
And now this dessert looks a little bit naked. We need to dress it with
Yes.
some glitter and sprinkles.
Absolutely. And I know how much you love the glitter and sprinkles.
I do.
So we've got lots here.
Oh my gosh, let's start it.
So do these just go anywhere?
Yeah, just put randomly.
What are these?
They're actually chocolate spheres.
Right.
And I'm going to put more small chocolate spheres and obviously a lot of colors because you know carnival in Italy is all about colors.
Yeah, absolutely. And what have you got here?
Oh, we can add some gold or silver. You can choose.
Silver?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's put this. Amazing. Ready, set, go. Wow.
Little dust. Sparkle, sparkle,
Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle.
sparkle.
And you can put on yourself as well, just so you're ready for a dance.
I feel like I actually just put a lot on me just then. Dan, that is the prettiest cake I've seen in a long time. You're saying that represents the circle of life. That's a very, very happy circle of life. Shall we have a little taste?
Let's do it.
Okay. I love that.
So delicious.
So good.
We can eat it all.
I know. All right. I'll
another
start
piece.
this end.
You know, some quality check. Just make sure it's right.
It's right.